Goodness gracious. The world is not allowed to see how much of slob we are.
It's too bad we're already recording.
Food in my mouth.
And action. Yesterday we went to Korean barbecue for the first time with our son and his girlfriend.
For the first time in like 25 years. I guess you maybe only, I don't know.
Not that I remember anyway.
But we definitely weren't gluten-free back then.
Okay, yeah, back then.
So went to Korean barbecue, a random Korean barbecue that was last minute, not picked.
Gen Korean BBQ in Fullerton?
Yeah. So we didn't research to see if they had gluten-free or anything.
We trusted our son.
We trusted him that, yeah, you can get meat at Korean barbecue. You can get gluten-free stuff. He just gets plain meat.
Yeah, but so that's what he says. And then we are asking the waiter, and he brings over like their list that's everything gluten-free. And I'll post it on here, but I kid you not, you could maybe have 20% of what was on the menu.
Yeah, maybe. Probably closer to like 10%. I don't know, we'd have to count.
10, 20, maybe 20%. If you're not familiar with the Korean barbecue, like you're cooking your own food, everything pretty much is in soy, teriyaki.
Look what I'm making tonight. Leftovers from last night.
So needless to say, our menu that day was very limited.
So we went and he ordered like, oh yeah, you can get the cucumbers. And I'm looking at the pictures of the cucumbers going, these look like they have soy sauce on it. So the guy brings over the allergy thing and we can have like, we can't have the cucumbers. We can't have the kimchi. We can't have like a lot of things. We can't have the rice papers. The rice papers had wheat in them.
Yeah, couldn't have that.
So we
couldn't have the salad. Well, we could have the salad,
but no dressing. We could have radish papers. Those were good. The little radish papers.
So let's list what we could have.
Okay.
You could have the steak,
the
brisket, and what was the other? Pork belly.
Steak belly, I think. I don't know.
And then
shrimp.
Shrimp. We could have lettuce, bell pepper, cucumber. No, not cucumber. Zucchini.
The mixed veggie, yeah. Was it a piece of zucchini, a slice of onion? I mean, you can get as much as you want. Radish paper and pineapple. For the sauces, we can
have rice. Yeah.
We got 2 sides of this sauce, and then we could have hot sauce.
And literally that was it. So as far as Korean barbecue goes for me, I'm out.
I mean, yeah, if you're gluten-free, you really have to look into it first. Obviously, we didn't. We just went.
Research. Yeah.
Our son just likes to eat as much meat as he can, and he didn't hear that it was plain meat.
He's bulking,
really good.
lifting weights.
He's always bulking. So do your research, because I came home and I searched gluten-free Korean barbecue. I found a place that has mostly the whole restaurant is gluten-free. They use only gluten-free tamari in all of their sauces, but it's like an hour drive. So we're going to make a trip. We're going to make a trip for that.
Yeah. And get your Leo gluten testers.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, yeah.
Although, the problem with that is, okay, number one, they have a list, so I guess you don't really need to test it.
Well, celiac, so that they have a list, you test it once, and they are truly gluten-free, then you know you can always eat at that place. But let's do that. Let's talk about that on our...
Yeah, watch our other video. But the problem with that is if you eat 5 things and they're $3 a piece, that's $15 for that meal.
This was just listening to my son find a close one, and he wanted the all-you-can-eat, and he wanted us to go so that we would pay really.
Yeah, and it wasn't cheap either.
Yeah.
$30.
Yeah, it was $30 for being able to eat about 10 to 20% of the food.
Yeah, and I personally, I can't eat that much, or I don't want to eat that much to make it worth spending $30.
Oh, I could eat $30 worth. I'm the eater in the family.
The $30 worth of the same food, that's all you can have.
Well, no, if we had a variety and the sauces to dip and a salad dressing, all that would be wonderful. I need to turn on the fan, so we gotta be done.
Gen Korean barbecue, 2 thumbs down for me.
Yeah. Well, if you're gluten-free. Remember, this is gluten-free review.